Good evening, everyone. I'm just checking my audio. Just a sec. Um, Good evening, everyone. I'm just checking my audio. Just a sec. Yes, there are some rain issues here, so that is why I am just connecting to my microphone. Yes, there are some rain issues. Yes, here. I hope this is fine. Yes, this is much better. Yes. So again, it's 9:30 today. Our post-market live session is delayed by almost 1 hour. We had informed this in the live trading session today, but the reason why we had a delay is because of some personal issues here. So I had informed this prior to starting this session. So anyway, at least we are here. 9:30 is fine. Should be fine for most of the people, I guess. I don't think most of you are asleep. Anyway, without further introduction, welcome to another Fat Nifty analysis of the benchmark indices Nifty, Sensex, and Bank Nifty for 3rd of September. Another unpredictable day today, it has to be said, because we had a bearish candle yesterday. We had a bearish significant rally by the end of yesterday's trading session. Since I think after around 1 o'clock, we had a steep rally which brought the market down by almost 225 points, and we closed at around 575. 24,579 is where we closed yesterday. We opened today with a slight gap down, opening at gap up at 24,616. We did go down to 24,530, and that's where we took support again. It was a recent swing low, 530 to 520, yesterday's low itself, and from there market moved up without significant pace, but towards the end of the day showed some sort of positivity, and market is forming. This is kind of a nothing candle, but at least we can say this is not bearish. But again, this is what 1st of September had. It was a bullish Marbosu, and the very next day we had rallied and only to be shorted again by FIIs. So every rise is being sold by FIIs. FIIs are booking profits at higher levels, which is trapping the retailers as always. So that Nifty closing today at 24,715, about 24,700, and that is a reasonable close. And the next immediate resistance we have is at around 25,000, obviously, and the recent support of 24,330 is still holding firm. That is proving to be a very good support. Below 24,500, maybe we can still further slide down, but 24,330 is still there. That for Sensex also followed a very similar pattern, opening slightly gap up and moving up. And since Nifty closing today by 0.5 up 0.55 percentage, Sensex closing by 0.5 percentage up today, but outperforming every single index by significant amount. It is Nifty Metal today. So it should be about the GST reforms, and I think most of the goods are coming under from the dropping from the 12 to 5% category, or whether it is from 28 to 18% category. Again, that is to be seen, because the GST Council is meeting today with the government of ministers, the group of ministers, GST Council with the finance minister. So what all are the results, outcomes of that meeting? And probably we should be expecting a cut down of 4 GST slabs to 2, and that is to be expected. So that should definitely be one of the outcomes. But again, the market has already factored that in. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, has formed close to a bullish Maribosu, but we are again at a very crucial zone of 53,500. That is where we have taken support again. So below 53,500, if Bank Nifty crosses 53,500 to the downside, I don't know, there is nothing looking good in Bank Nifty. Let's hope it takes support here at least. And the portfolio today, my portfolio was again 0.66% up, and after some time my portfolio is back in the green. Yes, moving to the open interest analysis, let's quickly move on to the open interest analysis. So the open interest stands with slight positivity. Support at 24,500 obviously, 24,600 and even 24,700 we have good put rating. That is the change in OI, and the overall open interest 24,500 with very good support, and 24,500 as well as 600, and the resistance comes at 25,000. The PCR is 1.3, indicating slight bullishness in the market. So we might get to see some sort of upward movement tomorrow also, but again that is left to be seen how long we will rally, how far we will rally, because FIs are booking profits at every higher level. So retailers, please be careful while riding your call options, if at all you are doing one. That is the open interest. Back to the FIDA data. FI is bearish in cash, futures, but FIs have sold calls and sold puts today. Okay, that is interesting. That is definitely interesting. FIs have sold puts worth 78,500 contracts. So that 78,500 contracts they have sold in put options. They have sold call options also, but net bullish in options is what we can see. And FIs in call options, obviously they are bearish, but put options, yes, they have sold puts today, but still they are net buyers in put option, 2.2 lakh buyers in puts. Clients obviously should be straight opposite to what FIs are doing. At least clients are today at least mild bearish in call options. FIs have clients have sold calls, they have sold even more puts, they have bought puts and sold calls. Oh, this is interesting. That's interesting. FIs have sold calls and bought puts. Okay, anyway, that is FIDA data. Let's go to the global indices. So this is the thing, FIs are again continuing to be bearish. In option segment they are slightly bullish, slightly. So we might get to see some sort of movement tomorrow, but it is left to see how long we will move or how far we will move. It is not going to be huge. Tomorrow MNS vlogs as in tomorrow live undo. I have some other emergency നാട്ടിൽ ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു പ്രോഗ്രാം ഉണ്ട്. So mostly നാളെ ലൈവ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. I'm extremely sorry for that. And തിരുവോണത്തിനും ലൈവ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. So sorry for the Malayalam in between, but we'll not be mostly doing the live session tomorrow. But I'll see if we can come by around 11:30 to do some sort of live session. So let's go through the global indices. This is indices future. So let's go through the major indices. Let it get loaded. So kindly wait. Yes. So Dow Jones is down 0.4 percentage. S&P 500 and Nasdaq is up. Nasdaq is up by 0.9%, 0.8 to 0.9. That is good. The VIX is down by 1%, but again, see the VIX in US is up at 17. So that is a good amount of premiums in all the options. That for Europe is trading slightly higher. Yes, Europe is trading higher by around 0.5 to 0.6%, somewhere there. 0.5 to 0.7 somewhere. Europe is trading higher. Asian markets are significantly down. Japan is almost 1% down. New Zealand 2.2 down. China is 1 to 1.1% down. Taiwan is 0.2% down. So everything in Asia is trading below yesterday's close. So Asian markets are the only markets trading below the yesterday's close. US is slightly up, and this is what SGX Nifty has for us. SGX Nifty is trading 17 points down, which is nothing much. So we will possibly have, as things stands, we will possibly have a flat to gap down opening tomorrow. And my positions for tomorrow, I have taken 2 positions. This was done during the live trading session itself. I have sold the 81,300 call in Sensex because it is Sensex expiry tomorrow. It is the first time ever Sensex is expiring on the option. Sensex of BSE options are expiring on a Thursday. So first Thursday expiry for Sensex. I have shorted the 81,300 call. and bought the 82,300 call. So I know it is a slight wider range, but I am sticking on to my view. So pharma and metal, we already discussed about it, and I haven't used most all of my capital. I've sized my positions because additional margin requirements are there for tomorrow. And the crucial levels to watch out mainly in Nifty. So we are at this high juncture again. We had told this at around 24,750. This is proving to be a resistance, and that is almost where today we also took resistance 737. Almost that stage. So above 750 we could see something, but then again there is resistance at 840 ranges also. So 740, 840, 750 to 840, maybe we could see something. 800 to 840 levels could be crucial. If we are getting almost a flat opening tomorrow, that could lead to further bullishness in the market, because we have traded positively today by the end of today's trading session. That is for Nifty. And for Sensex, again very similarly, we have a high at 80,750, and above 80,750 we could be in for maybe another 300-400 points rally in Sensex too. So those are the key levels to watch out for tomorrow. See, this is a very significant level at 80,750, and for Nifty also that is very significant because this level was respected multiple times. See, one is here, again here, and almost here. So this is 24,750 is very crucial. Let us see 24,750. Yes, 24,750 is very crucial. Let's see how things pan out, and we will meet again tomorrow if possible by around it will take me at least till 11:30 to be free. So I'll try my maximum to come here and do the live session. So thanks everyone for joining in. Trade wisely, trade sensibly, know the FIA activities, and take decisions accordingly. Till we meet again in the live trading session tomorrow or the post market analysis session tomorrow, take care, Jai Hind, and goodbye.